In this video, we're going to take a look at a problem and try to figure out how many flowers are on some of the plants. So if we have a problem that says each plant has 10 flowers, how many flowers are on 4 plants? So we could see from here that one plant has 10 flowers, and that's what it says here. Each plant has 10 flowers. So if one plant has 10 flowers, then 2 plants are going to have 20 flowers, and 3 plants are going to have 30 flowers. And then what about 4 plants? How many flowers will they have? You just have to notice that what's happening here is we're skip counting by tens. So 10, 20, 30, and the next one we know is 40. And if you don't remember how to do skip counting, just go back to one of my older videos that reviews the skip counting for you. But it's basically like this: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So if you skip count for this one, 10, 20, 30, 40, you know that 4 plants are going to have 40 flowers.